Let's see how we are preparing and dealing with the hurricane. Oh, yay! Did we turn our little living room into a fun-torium? Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Daddy. I'm loving it in here.
Yay, Sophie.
You take that?
Hi to my baby. Say hi to people on there. Be like, oh, this hurricane is so much fun. We all slept together in the same room. And we wake up and we play with these things.
By the way, it's 5 in the morning.
Yeah. Yay! 5 in the morning.
Hi, Sophie.
Bless
Excuse
you.
me, my...
Bless you, my baby.
Bless you, baby.
Yay. Okay, Sophie, say goodbye to all of your family that's watching. Oh, you're so cute. Yes. Okay. Mwah. Kisses to everyone. Kisses. Are you ready for kisses? Say goodbye. Kisses, goodbye. Mwah. Okay, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I love you.